If you've been trying to log out of your eFootball 2025 account and can't find the option anywhere, you're not alone. The logout button isn't exactly obvious, but today I'll show you the real ways to sign out safely and how you can switch accounts without losing anything. Let's get right into it. So, when you open eFootball, you'll probably notice there's no direct log out button in the main menus. Even if you dig around the settings, it's just not there. But there are two reliable methods you can use, depending on what you want to do. First, the official method hidden inside the game. Go to Support, then scroll down to Services and Info. Here, you'll see an option related to deleting your account. Now, just a quick warning, this actually removes your account data, and doing this will automatically log you out. This works as a logout method, but it's only recommended if you truly want to wipe everything. If you don't want to delete your account, there's a much simpler option. Just uninstall the eFootball app from your device. Once you delete it and reinstall it, the game will reset its stored login information. When you open it again, you'll be taken to the login screen where you can either log in with your existing details or switch to a completely different account. This method is quick, safe, and doesn't delete your game progress because your data is linked to your Konami ID, not the app itself. And that's all there is to it. Even though eFootball doesn't give us a straightforward logout button, these two methods will let you sign out or switch accounts anytime you need. If this helped, make sure to stick around for more eFootball tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.